If you're a regular viewer of this show, you'll know that every Monday we bring you the Innovation Exchange, exploring big ideas that are changing lives and challenging traditional thinking in emerging markets. Well, this week we travel to India, where a huge and sprawling rural population offers untapped potential for the banking sector. Malika Kapoor reports from On Village, where the new bank isn't just a place to keep or borrow money.
In this sleepy village in India's Maharashtra state, time stands still. The silence, punctuated by the sound of Rekha Somtake's hard work. Somtake makes furniture for a living. She bought these tools after she took a $200 loan from HDFC, one of India's largest private sector banks that recently opened a branch near her. Before that, she says, she had no income. India has 600,000 villages, but only 5% of them have bank branches. That means millions of people are excluded from the country's financial network. HDFC is trying to tap that market. It's opening rural branches, holding financial literacy classes, and providing villagers livelihood training. It's confident the investment will pay off.
In the initial 3-4 years, we may not make profits out of this. But downline, on the 5th, 6th year, when we don't have to spend all those basic expenditures like opening a savings account, spending money on training, spending money on financial literacy, it would help the bank to make profits.
HDFC says it's tapped 2 million rural households so far.
Most of these villagers now go to the bank regularly. Even though it's a bit of a trek on a very bumpy road, they say it's worth it.
In Somtake's case, having the funds to make and sell furniture in her little store has made the difference between her family going hungry and having enough to eat. India's central bank has made financial inclusion a national priority. It's mandating all banks to open a quarter of their branches in rural India. The deputy governor says it will benefit banks, consumers, and India's economy.
Person, when he is linked with a bank, then he becomes a productive asset to the society. India's growth can automatically go up by 1-2% if we bring all transactions under the financial system.
In another village, the state-owned Bank of India has opened a one-room kiosk that offers financial services. Opening an account here takes just a few minutes. Very little paperwork is required. We don't feel intimidated coming here, many of these women say. And this lady says, I used to hide spare cash in boxes at home. Now I deposit it in the bank where it's safe. My husband can't spend it. In fact, here's a secret. I haven't even told my husband I've started an account. Control of their finances has given these women independence, confidence, and a chance to secure their children a better future. Malika Kapoor, CNN, Maharashtra, India.
I'm Becky Anderson in Abu Dhabi. We'll be right back with more from the Global Exchange after this short break.